Hello everyone, I'm making a small video to show you my machinery. I have some tractors, tools, etc. The most important of them all is this little piece of machinery. He's a knitting machine. He's Bruce, like Bruce Wayne, with his black cape. Of course he doesn't resemble a bat, of course. Here we have my skid steer loader by Hyundai, HSL 600 model. Sorry about the mess, you'll probably see in the video, I'm making a VW buggy. Okay, it has a pallet fork, a bucket, this lovely backhoe. This is a rototiller attachment for one of my tractors. This is my Yamaha Breeze, and this old lady is my Yamaha Timberwolf. They date from 97 and 96 respectively. This guy here is my rototiller by MTD. It's brand new, has around roughly 1.5 hours of use. Here you can see some wine bottles, probably vinegar now. This is one of the weed eaters. We have two of them. Weed is really a good plague here. This is my Kubota B6000 tractor. 2-cylinder, 11 HP diesel. Has a bucket and a small plow, as well as the tiller we've seen before. This is a large bucket from my other tractor. It has seen better days and we'll need to buy a new one this year. As you can see, it's all getting cracked. This is my other tractor, a Landini 4500. It's only 30 years old, but a nice, sweet running machine. It's like a sewing machine actually. It needs new water hoses. These are as old as a tractor and are all cracked, especially the one at the pump, leaking water from the circuit. It's a tracked machine, pretty neat to drive, although slow. Needs a new seat, though this one does the job. This is the digger we have for it. It's a Falk 6 shovel unit. It has a 2-speed PTO, 500 and 1000 RPM. Needs some TLC actually. It will be getting it this summer. This here is the large plow for the Landini, as well as the grader. This one has never seen use, at least I can remember of. On this side we have a relic, dates from 1968, 1969. It's a rolling cylinder, diesel. I don't know what the engine on this is. German made and stuff. This is good just for the ironmongers. Of course, you've seen it. He's Batman, the nutty Rottweiler, but he's also a cutie machine, and he's just acting stupid. Gibby, 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 Gibby. Happy, as you can see. Zilla. Ow, 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 ow. Thanks for seeing me. Zilla, Zilla, ya kan? Aqui, câmera. Chega. Chega aqui. Deus. Bye, bye.